We're going to have more about Dixon in just a minute, but you know, all that dangerous runoff from those storms over the last few days has closed Cochiti Lake again. The popular recreation lake between Albuquerque and Santa Fe was reopened only last week. It had been closed since late June, first because of the Las Conchas fire, then because of debris and ash running off from the burn areas. And the flash floods on Sunday and Monday washed more ash and large debris into the lake, including this time fallen trees and even trunks. When the lake does reopen, it will be a day-to-day decision. You can call the Visitor Center at 465-0307 for the latest on that.